Okay, at the top of the screen here, I'll post the algorithm for this section of the puzzle. There's two algorithms. One's just the mirror image of the other, depending upon if you have to turn the piece to the right or if you have to turn the piece to the left. So, first piece I have here is red and green. I'll bring the red section above red. Green's off to the right, so the algorithm I'm going to use, I turn up, right, up backwards, right backwards, up backwards, front, up, front backwards, or front forwards, excuse me. Now the piece is between where it needs to go. Alright, next one looks like I have the piece in the right spot, just in backwards. So I randomly pick a piece. I'll pick this one right here and do my algorithm. Now random piece is there, and I can find my orange green piece, which is here. And then once again I will go up, right, up backwards, right backwards, up backwards, front backwards, up, and then front forward. Now as you see, the piece is where it belongs. Let's see where my next one is. That's actually right where it belongs. So once again, up, right, up backwards, right backwards, up backwards, front backwards, up and front. Now that piece is in place. Last piece goes over the red. This is actually the inverse of it. So I'll go up backwards, left backwards, up, left, up, front, up backwards, and front backwards. Now as you can see, all the center pieces are lined up with where they need to go. We'll go to the next step after that.